Bestmac Connectors, the impeccable one. Bestmac Components Private Limited was born in October 1994. The team consists of experienced tool and die engineers who had decades of experience in the automobile field, tool and die making and component manufacturing. The company is engaged in the manufacture of plastic components which is assembled in the wiring harnesses of automobiles of all kinds of vehicles. Organization and growth. The team of technocrats, Mr. C. N. Hari, directors, promoted this as a captive unit of wiring harnesses industry, which in turn is an ancillary unit to vehicle production industries. Hence, the company became an indirect supplier to the vehicle manufacturers of all kinds. The components became the import substitution of connectors of all kinds. Market share. Bestmac has achieved a substantial growth from the inception. The company extended its operation with customers all over India. Over the period, keeping in mind the major four-wheeler manufacturers and also widened its base to Malaysia, Bestmac has high-quality, developed machineries which, with latest technologies and trained employees in the particular field. Today, Bestmac is giving the best quality service to customers and has attained a significant position in automotive wiring harness industry for the supply of plastic components, connectors, housings. Bestmac makes the connectors for all Japanese vehicles based on international standards. Japanese vehicles cover a major portion of automobile field, which in turn makes a major market share to the components sale. Bestmac is now catering mainly to Maruti, Telco, Hyundai Motors, Hero Honda, Kinetic Engineering, TVS Motor Company Limited, TAFE Tractors Division, Yamaha and Bajaj Auto Limited. For the last 5 years, the components have already been supplied to the Proton cars of Malaysia. Design and development. Bestmac makes its own design to suit international standard of all varieties of vehicles. Bestmac gears its design department with AutoCAD, ideas and Unigraphic technology for new design and development to cope up with the future birth of new international market. Bestmac makes their own standards to international quality policy. We commit ourselves to deliver the products that totally meet the customer needs and excelling ourselves in international quality expectations. This is achieved by involving everyone to build quality by doing it right the first time with continuously improving product, process, systems and work life. Manufacturing facilities. The company has manufacturing facilities with state-of-the-art technology. Tool and die making. The company has spark erosion machine, cylindrical and surface grinding machines, CNC wire cut, CNC surface grinding, and for production, automatic injection molding machines with all supportive equipments, and for quality, profile projector, CNC video measuring system and other equipments. The major raw materials used in our production are PA6, PA66, GFL6 and 66, ABS, PBT, POM, PP, etc. These are mainly imported and easily available in India thereby making easy procurement of raw materials. Long-term business strategy. Bestmac upgrades its technology in order to meet the growing demands from automobile field, keeping in mind the birth of high-tech giant car manufacturers. Further, the opportunities for export of components are bright and wide in view of the liberalized policies of the Government of India towards automobile industries. The company has set goals to achieve the total customer satisfaction and 100% global market for the products in the future years.